When we think of online communities, we think social media, places like Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. While these communities include people from all over the world, they are ultimately at the mercy of their makers. Communities in the Web 2 internet have to play by the rules of the centralized companies that run them. While that's fine for most, the communities that rely on them don't get much of a say when it comes to how these networks, work. That's where Web 3 comes in. In the world of cryptocurrencies and decentralized ledgers, communities are redefining what it means to gather online. In this video, we'll explain how. When it comes to Web 3, one of the founding pillars of how this new world works is that users have more of a say over how things are run. That's because many projects want their users to be partners rather than just consumers, and they have many tools at their disposal. Some projects issue what's called governance tokens. These are tokens that are designed to give holders voting rights. Other projects, meanwhile, use DAOs to help communities reach decisions over what features their networks should use. Last but not least, communities are able to fork the code of projects in order to create a new version of a blockchain to better suit their needs. All of which means that communities are reinventing what it means to gather and govern online. If you're interested in finding out more about how Web3 communities are harnessing blockchain technology, head to near.org.